Gaza Nation, it has come to my attention that people are saying Vybz Kartel is involved in a clash or some lyrical feud. And let me reassure you, Gaza Nation, nothing could be further from the truth. Yeah? A positivity Vybz Kartel are dealing with right now. Family, business, money, and God. Yeah? No clashing. We have no time for that. Positivity around here. I'm out.
Gaza fans, you weak. I want to so coward. You act like the toughest thing. As look a competition come, status him one. The king status him one. So you have to fight for it? Yeah, you have to fight for it.
Yeah man guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll talk about Kartel shutting down the clock between him and Beenie Man for the kingship of dancehall. Also, a podcast called Common Sense claims the actual king of the dancehall is Sean Paul. Also, Ragging King, we saw him on the Fix interview talking about his bedroom performance. You all know that he was pew-pewed a few years ago, and then they asked him if he can perform downstairs. So we'll go check that out in a few. Also, Footah hype this up Kartel and the Gaza Nation and say him basically my clone call him weak. So we have a lot to get into. So before we get started, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. So after Beenie Man respond to Vybz Kartel, everybody get excited and they say, alright, dance all nice again. We will get a response from Addy. It's the battle of the, what did I say now? May the best man win. Battle of the lyrical swords. Ratted. Vybz Kartel just drop a video and say, you know, upon that. God know me disappointed. We is excited, we not lie. We didn't want to see what go on. And big up Beenie Man. You understand? Big up Beenie Man. Step to it and in show we why my work with. You have to give him props. You understand me? Vybz Kartel, we disappointed. We not lie. Honestly. We didn't look forward to it. It like he dance all like buzz. God no. All if anybody will lose, all if a Kartel lose, we still did want it because we need that. It's a part of our culture. I mean, by now you just come out of prison. If people don't want you prove, you understand, prove why you deserve the kingship. You understand me? God no. Feel away, but you guys tell me what you think about that in the comment section. We're still on the topic of who is the real king of the dancehall. Now, this podcast on YouTube called Common Sense, they said that the real king of the dancehall is Sean Paul, based on numbers and based on the international global wide scope of, touring the world and billboards, numbers, all of that. But then the streets, I say, on the ground of Vybz Kartel, we never hear of Sean Paul having a clash yet. One bag of different reasons as to the reason why people have the decision why they choose who they want to choose, right? Some say a Beenie Man, some say a Kartel, some say a Sean Paul. But this is what Common Sense podcast had to say about the situation. Check this out.
In the global impact bring. Sean Paul is one of the most known number one dancehall artists and the most streamed artists of all time. And he does a marvelous set when it comes to performance worldwide. You know what I mean? He has one of the most streaming hits in dancehall history. You forgot that. You guys forget Sean Paul? The most billboard hits as a dancehall artist.
Let me ask you this question.
Most streamed dancehall artist.
Can I ask you this question? If Sean Paul is performing at the National Stadium, right? Can he pull that crowd that Vybz Kartel pull?
No, I want you to bear this in mind. When
in
an artist going to, I'm answering you. Allow me to finish. When an artist go to jail and is missing out of the scene for a while.
Yeah.
So Sean Paul guys go to jail and missing out of the scene for 13 years and come out, he couldn't pull that crowd.
I don't think that's right.
The demand for an artist, we can look at Jack Cure, who was in jail. We can look at Bujo. The demand for an artist when he's missing off the scene and is loved by his people. and he's coming out and the grand promotions around that artist will bring such an impact. But we're talking about the global atmosphere.
So let me ask you this question then.
This man has the most number one.
To check out their podcast for the full episode, you can visit their YouTube channel, Common Sense with a K and the Sense spelled with a C podcast on YouTube to see, you know, how they're reasoning on who the king of the dancehall is. But you tell me your thoughts about their 2 cents in the comment section. So you guys remember Ryan King, you know, in the gate shot up a couple years ago, and I think in cripple from, I assume so the waist down, but apparently in wire waist still work. So, you know, they asked him if he's still performing in our bedroom, and to our surprise, this is what he said. Check this out.
Can you still perform?
I've been a performer in a wheelchair.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sex.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I said the thing tough.
Yeah.
Tough.
Yeah, that not
Yeah, man. Oh my God. Daddy, watch out. Watch out. Brother, I want to tell some of them a boy. I'm telling you, no live better than me. No girl, no live up, no put it up on them back and can't flip up on them. Oh, fuck, yeah. Oh, no.
Strong.
Yo, dog. I thought I go on. No, bro. That boy, no, it's good youth. Yo, sometimes I like when you get them just pick off the jaws and just stick it in the right.
Take charge.
Daddy. No, but
Hey, I feel big up the fixing. Them always ask the right question to keep people entertained. Now, like big up on yourself. Is it me? Big up Ryan King. Glad he's still alive and you know he's still a living life. I have to give God thanks to that. So on to the next topic. Footah Ibe say Vybz Kartel are run from the clash, and if you run from the clash, when he might try to defend the kingship, he's supposed to can stand up to being a man who the on level, according to Footah Ibe, and call Kartel a cloning, saying call a man coward, say him a coward. Him also say Gaza Nation, you know, but them a kill up themselves and as a little clash come there run. I really did want Kartel for answer Beanie. You understand? I want to see Beanie Man in a different light. I want to see the two of them go at it in a new millennium. You know, I want to improve. So yeah, you can stand up. Each other more and stand up to the one another. Cause you do that nice for dancehall. Kartel finally come out of prison in a fear eye for record. No, you understand me? Beanie Man, I want to see him in a different light. Me still give him props for even answer Vybz Kartel. Cause I wonder say why Kartel shut down. It is good for dancehall, and you know, would I like the challenge and fist it. I want to see Beanie Man go up against Kartel and know that Kartel out of prison we can see and hear him in a fear hide no more and him thing they in a fear hide for record in a new millennium. That is good for dancehall. I'm kind of disappointed, but Footah Ibe said Kartel coward, but I don't know, maybe he want to look about him visa and he don't want, I don't know, maybe he don't want, you know, the people that want to deal with the visa if say, oh, he's still the same violent person, so he might try to show them, say, yeah, him change or whatever. But I don't know, Kartel must know. But this is what Footah Ibe had to say about the whole situation. He must say Kartel want the kingship, he must defend it. Check this out.
Humpty Dumpty. Kartel him a call Humpty Dumpty. Wanna ask, you know a Kartel Beanie attack? Why you not ask who Beanie Man a call Humpty Dumpty? You know a Kartel Beanie Man attack? Remember Beanie Man them were different, you know? Bounty Killer and Beanie Man them were different. Them man they call name and talk directly. Well, and a joke something Beanie them depend, you know? What do you mean by low blow with sickness? What do you mean? What do you mean? Gaza fans, let me not understand. When Kartel are war people, Kartel no business. Kartel say fuck my father mother upon the Gaza and never care. All when we beg still we blue, him never business. That is somebody mother that's sensitive. So now come talk about low blow, Beanie talk about sickness. What you mean? Anything goes in a war, where you come from? So you don't want to have sympathy when somebody a clad Kartel, but when Kartel a clad people, you don't have a problem. Gaza fans, wanna make the sport kinda boring. Wanna make the sport what I'm doing. What I'm doing. Someone that talk about Kartel as the money and happiness. Nothing no bigger than the music. Nothing no bigger than the music. Nothing no bigger than the music. If a war, Kartel of war. Him not say my king. No king status him want. No king status him want. So you have to fight for it? Yeah, you have to fight for it. Remember, a yellow man me have as the king, you know. But them are war for the king. So what you tell me say? If you want the kingship, you have to war for it. So what you tell me say? I want to know. Kartel clash Beanie right now. Beanie clash Kartel have bigger money and more business and more sponsorship and more endorsement, more everything. All if Kartel I look about US visa that not stop clash from going. That not stop clash from going. I want to know. War. Oh, all of me not understand though. Me not understand. Uno say Kartel are the biggest, baddest, greatest, this, that. And one of the greatest attack him now. I wanna find be an excuse. I want the blood clot. And what kind of badness you not deal with? What kind of badness you not? What kind of excuse badness this you not do? What me not understand now. What kind of double business you not going with? Kartel say him the baddest thing, and him say I feel him tune and man I try to take him tune and Beanie I show him say I'm me the man. So Beanie drop tune, Kartel have to drop tune, and tune have to fly. I want tune, I want recuperate not stop nothing. Kartel a voice song. Kartel a voice song. Kartel in a studio. So when I tell me say, Gaza fans you weak. I want to so coward. You act like the toughest thing. As look a competition come, remember, I want to say, oh, Devil Brat not up on the DJ level. Remember, I never said DJ enough to clash Devil Brat. And I said, Devil Brat not up on him level. Beanie, up on him level and even more. So when I talk about, me like the people them where boy drop word and we answer fast. We answer fast. Me like how Beanie a deal with it. Kartel, you can't run from this, you know. You cannot run from this, my lad. You cannot run from this. You understand? This clash is need. Right now, Isaiah Leng. See if we can keep one sting in February, you know. Beanie not allow him. Me don't know if them people you know understand. A real madman Kartel around. Remember Kartel used to play Beanie, you know. Kartel know how Beanie stay, you know. Beanie not done. Beanie not done, you know. So Kartel should not drop no word because Beanie not done. Don't ramp with Beanie man and Bounty Killer if you not plan figure all out. Them not done. Them man know if you done. Them man follow you up everywhere. Everywhere. I could have a port more on the Gaza. Beanie a pull up over there. Exactly. If Kartel want the crown, him have to work for it. You can't get dancehall kings, brother, and also king get him throne. And also person get him gone. You must be mad. Beanie them not play. You say uno youngin, uno not understand dancehall thing and why Beanie and Bounty them so great. Them man they no business. Alright, to Bunty and Beanie them love dancehall and love road. When war go on them and them sleep, them can't sleep in them yard. All of them go in, them tormented. You know how much time we come off a road when war go on and reach at Oakland. I have to spend 4 or 5 hours at Oakland a reason. Killer now go sleep. And by the time we say later DJ and him gone in. 8, 9 o'clock, killer them on the road again. Lyrics are busting at them man head. Them man they want buck up anybody where my war anywhere. What they must know? Kartel know where my do. Kartel know a Beanie him a ramp with. Beanie them not sleep, Beanie them mad. Beanie man them tormented by dancehall. Them put a spell on Beanie man and Bunty killer. Them man you must know. You must know who name Beanie man and Bunty blood clot killer. You must know them man the dog. Them Kartel have to stand up to wait the word them way mature when it come to Beanie man or Bunty killer. You mad? You crazy? You know living in a loo. Beanie and killer them not do that nowadays warrior like where massacre them and alka them and the nowadays artists them do. Them man do them something. I true be a word and no one vice man ready man. If you work for him, me not work for him. And also Beanie them work. Beanie them I go fi said with him where you go upon. See? And Beanie them I address you accordingly. Them man are brawling.
You understand? You agree with Footah? Kartel a run? I don't feel like Kartel have bigger plans or maybe changing mind after getting visa. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. That's it for now. If you've watched the video so far, thank you, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on anything that I upload. Also like the video, leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.